Here's how you can find archived emails on the iPhone Mail app. So let me show you exactly how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course you have the ability to go to the mail, just like, the email application like that. And when you hold it down on the message, you can see that we have the ability to move the message into different folders, but you can click on move and put it into the archive folder like that. So it's kind of like hidden away from the main site, but in order to get back to it, just tap on the left arrow in the top left corner, and you are going to be able to browse all of the mailboxes and all of the menus or folders in here. So in my case, I can see the archive right here, and it is part of this folder, so I can always just go back to this and decide what I want to do about it. I can just read it or even hold it down on it, and as well just move it to a different folder if I wish to do so. So I would have the ability to move the message back to the main inbox or wherever I decide to put it. So that's how it works. You should also pay attention to the fact that it might happen that the archive is not like selected, because when you click on the edit button right here, you might see that the archive folder is there, but it's not like checked, so it's not allowing you to see it right away, in which case it would make sense to tap on it so it actually becomes visible, and you can always just check out all of the archived emails. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to help you out with that. In case of further questions, leave them below in the comments, but for now that's it, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos like this one.